Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the value of this parts. Here before starting the parts we are going to discuss some general formulas which are minus and minus becomes plus, minus and plus or plus and minus becomes minus, and plus becomes plus. So by keeping in mind all this formula we are going to solve these questions. Let's start with the part A. Part A is minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. Let's solve the brackets first. So minus 7, this from here is minus 7 and this from here is minus 8. As we just discussed here, minus and minus become plus. So minus of minus 25 become equals to 25. So this from here is equals to, taking minus common from the first two term, that from here is equals to 7 plus 8 plus 25. Adding 7 and 8, that is equals to 15. Minus of 15 plus 25. So this from here is equals to minus 15 plus 25. So basically we are going to subtract 15 from the 25. Doing so we get the value as 10. So we can say that 10 is the answer to the part 1 of the question. Let's move to the part 2. So the part B from here is minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So this is the part B. This is minus 13. So solving the bracket first. So this from here is minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So we are going to separate the terms which are negative terms basically. So this from here is minus 13 minus 8 minus 1 plus 32. Taking minus common from the first two terms. So this from here become equals to 13 plus 8 plus 1 plus 32. Adding this term, 13 plus 8 is 21 and 21 plus 1 is 22. So this from here is minus 22 plus 32. Solving this become equals to minus 22 plus 32. We are going to subtract 22 from 32. So this value from here become equals to 10. So 10 is the answer to the part B of this question. Part C is minus 7 plus minus of 8 plus minus of 90. We are going to solve this. So in order to solve this, first open the brackets. This from here is equals to minus 7. As we just discussed above, plus and minus become equals to minus. So this from here is minus 8. Again plus and minus become equals to minus. This from here is equals to minus 90. Now taking minus common from all these terms. So this from here become equals to 7 plus 8 plus 90. Solving this further, that become equals to 7 plus 8 is 15 and 15 plus 90. So this from here become equals to 15 plus 90 is 105. So we can say that minus 105 is the answer to this part. Part D is 50 minus of minus 40 minus of minus 2. We are going to solve this. So this from here become equals to 50. As we know that minus and minus become equals to plus. So this from here become equals to plus 40. Again minus and minus become equals to plus. This from here become equals to plus 2. Plus 2. So adding this, 50 plus 40 is 90 and 90 plus 2 is 92. So from here we can say that the answer to this part is 90. So students, in order to solve this problem we use the basic concept of integers. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.